I like working here for the variety of things that I get to do on a daily basis. My name is Isiais Acevedo, and I am an engineer at Smith Systems. I graduated from Western Carolina University and began my career here at Smith Systems. We are creating sensors for the transportation industry. As an engineer, I am a problem solver, so every day is different. Some days I am in the engineering lab testing sensors, and other days I am working on the production floor creating new products. When the product is done and the purchase orders come in, it's very rewarding to know that your design and your work will go to the real world into an application, for instance, a helicopter or the space shuttle. That's very exciting to know that our product is out there in space. My first experience in Transylvania County was Perry. Perry is Pisgah Astronomical Research Institute. It was in 2006, and I was a mentor for a space science lab. What I saw in Perry, that's what inspired me to go to the engineering pathway. I didn't want to leave the mountains because I've been here for 16 years and I love it. The people here in Western North Carolina are friendly, very friendly. They like to talk to you and they share their stories. Brevard is a lot more peaceful, not so much traffic. I find that working in Transylvania County has an advantage because everything is close by to the hiking trails, waterfalls, the Blue Ridge Parkway. Well, the Blue Ridge Parkway is this magical road that takes you through the mountains, and it's really close to Brevard. The views in the parkway are amazing. I have learned a lot of things working here that I did not learn in school, yes. You learn most of it at the job site, on hands-on. Knowledge makes me want to extend my education. I want to know more of how things work and why they work that way. That's one of the things also. When I wake up, I'm not like, oh my God, again. It's like, yes, sir, let's go do this.